XLMD series, fine pitch LED display, with ultra thin and ultra lightweight. As you want, it can display on one side while also displaying on double sides. It has 4 types of installation methods. The first one, hanging, suspend with bracket, enables efficient information transfer and flexible interaction at the same time. The second one, used as an LED mobile billboard. 6 advertising screens can be assembled into a 140-inch mobile LED screen. The third one, wall-mounted installation, can be customized to the appropriate size to create a home theater or TV. Not only that, you can also play interactive games, sing karaoke, and more. The fourth one, rotating, available in hanging and standing versions. You can adjust the size, rotating speed, and volume based on your needs.